Jermaine Donovan, you know, I got always a big up people that have helped me along the way. This is a Jago old boy. Big up Johnstone, you know. Big up Brayton Phase 3. Yeah, which one I grow up again. Big up Chadine. Big up Sekou, Christine and Khalees. Big up Tasha, Jotam Watson. Big up yourself, Dr. Tahira. Love you all the time, you know. Bertland Cameron, Jeremy Gonzalez, Johan Blake, Bridging Duncan. Big up Friday, you know, I'm bridging like that. Be check film, I'm a bridging like that, I'm a brother like that, you know. Big up Gatlin. Big up all of the man them from Jago, because, you know, we respect everybody there. Will come before we and I do it. Big up Matthew Fisher, big up Mendes, big up Tajay Bailey Johnson, that's a Bailey Cole little brother. Big up the whole of the Manning Cup man them from 2015. We now remember the name them right now, you know. But Aki Mackay, you know, the captain them time there. We can call a whole heap more people name, but you know.